Hi, this is question 7 from the June 2012 Unit 3 Edexcel Higher Maths paper, and it's a trial and improvement question. They used to call it trial and error, but they thought that error was a negative word. Improvement is a positive word, so you're bound to do better. So the equation is x cubed plus 10x equals 23. We're given a little bit of a hint that the solution to it, the value of x that will make it work, is somewhere between 1 and 2, and we're going to basically logically guess a few answers and see if we get close. There's a few important steps at the end that you'll need to make sure you do in order to get all of the marks on this question. One nice way to set it out to make sure you get it right is to draw a table. First of all, you're going to be guessing some values of x, so that's the first column you'll want to have. And I'm just going to start logically with 1.5. The first thing I need to do is cube 1.5. So that's my next column, and if I cube 1.5, I get 3.375. Now I then need to times x by 10, so it's going to be 15, and then the equation says add those two together, and if I add those two together, I get 18.375. The final thing is to decide, well, is it too big or is it too small? And that particular one there is too small. So without being crazy, I move on to 1.6. A systematic approach, although you might feel it's obviously far too small and you want to move up, a logical approach does help with these questions. 1.6 cubed, sorry, I don't know if I said squared before, cubed is 4.096, and 1.6 times 10 is 16. Add those together and you get 20.096, and that also is too small. If we just cut to the which is too big, so we found out that our solution is somewhere between 1.7 and 1.8, but we don't know whether it's closer to 1.7 or 1.8, and we're going to find that out by going in the middle. Small. And if 1.75 is too small, then surely the answer must be closer to 1.8, and that's our final answer. Another way that you can do it, as long as you do it in this systematic way, is that these three here are always going to be our last three. So one above, one below, and then one in the middle. And if you go over to the too big, too small, nice way of looking at it is that which one's the odd one out? Well, this one's the odd one out because it's too big and the other two are too small. So therefore, this is our solution for the question. A nice little way of remembering and getting the right one when you get to this final stage. But this 1.75 is essential for 4 marks. Best of luck.